One of the reasons why I was looking for a data science class was to see, one, if I could formalize my knowledge. A lot of it before this camp was just sort of learning on the fly. From what I saw from the Data Science Dojo website, they had a wide offering in terms of the breadth of classes or knowledge that they were going to share, and then two, exposure to a lot of tools and techniques that I've known about but saw how they could really apply. The difference with Data Science Dojo is that you have the physical in-presence location, and then I think also what's neat is it's a collaborative effort in terms of you're there in a classroom setting and it's hands-on, and the application happens right on the spot. I'm sort of geeking out a little in the sense that with my engineering background, I definitely appreciate it in terms of some of the math that I hadn't seen in a while, and relating like, oh, that's cool. I remember that from engineering school. Now I can see some real world applications. I would recommend this bootcamp because if you don't have any background, or if you have a lot of background in this, you will gain something in regards to either one, just a generalized knowledge, knowing the context, knowing the lingo of the terminology. Two, even if you're already doing this a lot, you could either just sort of sharpen your skill set that you already have, open you to using some of the features and skills you already been using maybe in a different context, or better applying what you know in maybe at a more advanced or deeper rate. So it can work for many.